We are entering into an era where experts are looking for alternate source of energy. As the cost of energy is rising, LPG and electricity are getting expensive. In this phase, solar energy has evolved as best alternate to LPG. Yes, we are talking about solar cooker. There are three types of solar cooker: panel, parabolic and box. We are going to discuss about solar box cooker. Solar cooker works on basic principle of converting solar energy into heat. It can be optimally used between 10 am to 5 pm. If one can plan a meal properly, both lunch and dinner can be prepared during this time frame. Box solar cooker comes with 2 or 4 containers which can be used as per requirement. Say morning 10 am to 12 pm, one can keep dal, rice, veggies and peanuts to roast. Once you're done with your lunch and cleaning stuff, get the stuff ready for your aloo vadi or patar vadi. Put the containers back to the sun. Your dinner preparation is done and your evening is free. You can get ready to do your favorite activity. Most of the solar cooker comes with a recipe book. Box cooker is best suited to baking, boiling and roasting food. For boiling food such as corn, potatoes or pasta, it's advisable to pre-boil the water. Keep the lid slightly open to roast the food. Eggs can be hard boiled without any water at all and potatoes can be baked. Vegetables can be cooked using very little or no water at all depending upon the moisture content of the food. Now, solar box cooker has few disadvantages over traditional LPG. 1. Cooking takes time. Still keep the peat pot covered with lid to get the food cooked in least time. Second, cannot be used on a rainy or cloudy days. The most places in India get 275 days sunlight. Few important advantages overcome all its cons. Saves cost on fuel. It's just one time cost which one has to bear ranging between 3000 to 5000 rupees. After that it can be used for ages. If you are utilizing it fully, you can save up to 50% of your LPG requirement. If you are using 8 cylinders a year, you can cut it down to almost 4 cylinders. So your investment can be recovered in a year or two, and after that you can simply save in thousands. Second, gets healthy and delicious food. Because the food is cooked on low heat, vitamin and other nutrients don't break down. Solar cooked food are free of mutagens and carcinogens produced by high heat methods. The taste of food is unbeatable. Third, food never get overcooked or burnt. So if you forgot it while doing other stuff, there isn't any problem of burning. Gratitude time. This piece of information I got to learn from Miss Ekta Asher. She uses a solar cooker since last 4 years and her family is extremely happy about the taste of food. If you're getting enough sunlight during 10 am to 5 pm, you must try this option. Amazon link I have given in description box. If you like this video, click on like button, share it and subscribe to Golden Fiber.